Imagine sipping a glass of crystal clear water, free from harmful contaminants, perfectly chilled or steaming hot, right from a sleek countertop device that's as easy to use as your coffee maker. This Icepure 4-in-1 reverse osmosis water filter countertop is not just a water purifier. It's a game-changer for eco-conscious households, busy professionals, and anyone who values pure, safe, and convenient hydration. This innovative bottleless water cooler combines cutting-edge filtration, customizable temperatures, and a compact design to deliver unparalleled water quality without the hassle of bottled water or complex installations. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Icepure 4-in-1 is a must-have for modern homes. Why choose the Icepure 4-in-1 reverse osmosis water filter? Water quality is non-negotiable. With rising concerns about tap water contaminants like lead, mercury, and PFAS, having a reliable filtration system at home is more critical than ever. The Icepure 4-in-1 reverse osmosis water filter countertop solves this problem by delivering exceptional filtration efficiency, user-friendly design, and eco-conscious performance. Certified to NSF/ANSI 58 standards, this system ensures your water is free from 99.99% of harmful substances, including chlorine, heavy metals, nitrates, and even microscopic impurities. Whether you're brewing a morning coffee, preparing baby formula, or simply staying hydrated, this purifier guarantees safe, great-tasting water every time. But it's not just about clean water, it's about convenience and sustainability. Unlike traditional RO systems that require under-sink plumbing or bulky setups, the Icepure 4-in-1 is portable, plug-and-play, and designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen, RV, or even a cruise cabin. Its 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio minimizes water waste, making it an environmentally friendly choice that saves you money compared to bottled water. Add to that its ability to dispense hot, cold, or room temperature water in seconds, and you've got a versatile appliance that elevates your daily routine. Let's break down why the Icepure 4-in-1 stands out in the crowded water purifier market, focusing on its key features, benefits, and why it's perfect for eco-conscious households, health-focused families, and on-the-go adventurers. Key features that set Icepure apart. The Icepure 4-in-1 isn't just another water filter, it's a thoughtfully designed system that combines advanced technology with everyday practicality. Here are the standout features that make it a top choice. 4-stage filtration for unmatched purity. The system uses a multi-layer filtration process to ensure pristine water quality. It starts with PP cotton to trap larger particles, followed by premium coconut shell activated carbon for pre-filtration. The star of the show is the 0.0001 micrometers RO membrane, which removes microscopic contaminants like lead, mercury, and PFOA/PFOS. A final post-filtration coconut shell activated carbon layer enhances taste, ensuring every sip is crisp and refreshing. Hot, cold, or room temperature, your choice. With 7 temperature settings ranging from ambient to boiling, this system caters to every need. Whether you're brewing tea, chilling water for a workout, or preparing formula for a baby, the Icepure delivers the perfect temperature in just 3 seconds thanks to its rapid heating technology. User-friendly controls with safety in mind. The intuitive control panel features a child safety lock to prevent accidental burns and preset water volumes, 250 milliliters to 750 milliliters, for precise dispensing. Real-time TDS monitoring lets you track water quality, giving you peace of mind that your water is always pure. Effortless setup and portability. No plumber? No problem. The Icepure 4-in-1 requires no plumbing or complicated installation. Just plug it in, fill the tank, and you're ready to go. Its compact, sleek design fits perfectly on countertops, making it ideal for small apartments, RVs, or vacation homes. A built-in drainage outlet simplifies maintenance, especially for occasional use. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. With a 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, this system wastes less water than traditional RO filters, supporting sustainable living. By eliminating the need for bottled water, it saves you hundreds of dollars annually while reducing plastic waste. Plus, its quiet operation ensures it blends seamlessly into your home environment. Trusted safety and durability. Made from food-grade, lead-free, and BPA-free materials, the Icepure 4-in-1 prioritizes your health. Backed by over 20 years of Icepure expertise, this system is built to last, delivering reliable performance for years. Benefits that make a difference. Why invest in the Icepure 4-in-1? Beyond its impressive features, this water purifier delivers tangible benefits that enhance your lifestyle, health, and budget. Here's why it's a game changer. Healthier hydration for your family. With 99.99% of contaminants removed, you can trust that every glass of water is safe for drinking, cooking, or even pet care. Say goodbye to worries about heavy metals, chlorine, or PFAS tainting your water supply. Convenience without compromise. From instant hot water for your morning oatmeal to chilled water for a post-workout refresh, the Icepure 4-in-1 adapts to your needs. Its portability and easy setup make it a versatile solution for home, travel, or temporary living spaces. Eco-conscious and wallet-friendly. By reducing water waste and eliminating the need for bottled water, this system lowers your environmental footprint and saves you money. The average household spends $500 annually on bottled water. Switch to Icepure and watch those savings add up. Who is the Icepure 4-in-1 perfect for? This water purifier is designed for a wide range of users, making it a versatile addition to any household or lifestyle. It's ideal for eco-conscious households. If you're passionate about reducing plastic waste and conserving resources, the 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio and bottleless design align perfectly with your values. Health-focused families. Parents who want safe, contaminant-free water for cooking, drinking, or preparing baby formula will appreciate the NSF/ANSI 58 certification and advanced filtration. Busy professionals and travelers. The plug-and-play setup and portable design make it perfect for small apartments, RVs, or vacation homes. Whether you're at home or on a cruise, clean water is always within reach. Budget-conscious consumers. If you're tired of spending money on bottled water or expensive filter replacements, the Icepure 4-in-1 offers long-term savings with minimal maintenance. Real-world performance. What users are saying. Across social platforms, the Icepure 4-in-1 is generating buzz, with users praising its ease of use, water quality, and sleek design. On Facebook, posts tagged with #cleanwater and #healthyhydration highlight real-life stories of families ditching bottled water and enjoying better-tasting coffee, tea, and meals. One user shared, "I was skeptical about countertop RO systems, but the Icepure 4-in-1 is a game-changer. Setup took 5 minutes, and the water tastes amazing." Another noted, "The hot water feature is a lifesaver for my morning routine, and I love knowing my kids are drinking safe water." The system's quiet operation and compact footprint make it a favorite for small spaces, while its eco-friendly design resonates with users sharing posts under #eco-friendly-living and #sustainable-home. The real-time TDS monitoring feature is a hit among tech-savvy users who want to track their water quality, with one reviewer calling it like having a water lab on my counter. A few considerations. No product is perfect, and the Icepure 4-in-1 has a couple of minor drawbacks to consider. The initial flush of the RO membrane is essential for optimal performance, so be sure to follow the setup instructions carefully. Some users note that the wastewater container needs occasional emptying, especially in high-use households. However, the built-in drainage outlet makes this a breeze. For those in hard water areas, regular maintenance of the filters, recommended every 6 to 12 months, ensures consistent performance, but this is standard for any RO system. Why now is the time to buy in 2025? Clean water is more than a luxury, it's a necessity. With environmental concerns on the rise and tap water quality varying widely, investing in a reliable water purifier like the Icepure 4-in-1 is a smart choice. Its blend of advanced filtration, customizable temperatures, and eco-friendly design makes it a standout in the market. Plus, with its budget-friendly operation and long-term savings, it's an investment that pays for itself. Ready to transform the way you hydrate? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why thousands of households are making the switch to Icepure. Don't settle for less, choose clean, safe, and sustainable water today with the Icepure 4-in-1 reverse osmosis water filter countertop. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.